Hi there, today we're pickling eggs. Pickled eggs are a good way to get rid of some eggs. Then you have to peel the eggs.
Okay, pickling eggs is this easy. We have peeled hard-boiled eggs in the jars, and we made quite a large batch because we have so many eggs. You can make much smaller batches. I mixed up a brine and brought it to a boil, which is mostly vinegar and apple cider and then some spices. And now all I have to do is pour the brine over the eggs, and I'm going to pour it so that it covers the eggs. That one's just about covered. Fill this jar up, but it's covered well enough. Cover those eggs. Once they're covered, we're going to let them cool in the fridge for 24 hours. Then they're ready to use. The longer they sit in the brine, the more flavorful they'll get. So you don't have to be afraid to let them sit however long. They'll be good for several weeks. We've actually had them in September that we made this time of year, so they truly can keep for a long time in the brine. You might want to check them pretty good at that point, but they last for a long time, especially if they're covered like these are. That one, I'd use that jar a little sooner, but the rest of these are going to be great. Got brine left over, we can make some more eggs. I'm just going to put the lid on so they're covered well. And you can see I'm using a variety of jars. As long as they take a canning lid, they're fair game for this, because they don't have to go through the canner. So it's all good. Now, so, pickled eggs, a very tasty way to preserve your eggs when in the spring when you have so many eggs from the chickens. As a side benefit, we have eggshells. These are great to put in your compost. They add some nice calcium. My mom plants them around the base of her, in the bottom of her tomato holes when she plants her tomatoes. You could feed them back to the chickens so that they get a little bit of calcium. You want to break them up a little bit and don't put them anywhere near where they nest, but they like chicken shells, so nothing goes to waste. You've got some tasty eggs, well preserved, and that's pickled eggs.
But to get them cracked, Frank's head is a good way.